The next loop I want to show us is the do while loop. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use this example. The difference between this is that here you say do. Okay, we're going to take the condition. We're saying do this, then at the end of this we're going to put the condition, but we're going to write while. So what we say, we're saying that start at this point, let's say 1, you can use any point, start at this point, do, display the number, then at the end of the day look out the condition, and so you're going to get almost similar results. So I'm going to increase the number so we can notice the difference. I'm going to say, let's say 7. And so these are just different ways to do it.